Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm your favorite host, James. Today, let me introduce a sensational AI called Dzine. I know you must try the tremendous numbers of the AI generators, but I promise you this one is very different because this AI can even control the facial expressions of the characters that we generated. This is crazy, and it's super easy to keep consistency of the character in DzineAI. DzineAI can help you to generate images and videos by text or image. This is a piece of the cake. Plus, we have a super AI editor tool in Dzine. So now you can drop the Photoshop away because Dzine is the next Photoshop in the AI age. Alright, what are we waiting for? Let's dive in. Alright, let's discover DzineAI. You get so many advanced AI tools all in one single platform. This is something I never seen before. No matter if you want to generate images or video, and if you want to experience DzineAI by yourself, you can type the domain Dzine.AI and you will land in this beautiful website. And on the homepage, we already have a lot of entry points like the image to image, text to image, consistency, character, image to video, phase one, local edit, and insert object. Okay, AI eraser, expand, enhance, product background, image to 3D, and also virtual try on. I think if you're working on the e-commerce platform, you might need this. Okay, so this is crazy because we have everything at one place and it can actually use in your work, like remove the background, like the edit, change the style, and make the video. I think this will be super nice for all the designers in the age of the AI. And I cannot tell you how shocked I am because everything I needed in this platform. And what I loved about the design, because now you can not only generate images or videos, also you can actually control and modify every part of the image or video. That is crazy. And many people already start to use Dzine instead of other AI platform and design tools, and it will be the best design tool ever. Okay, so much for the talking. Let's do a little demonstrate. So all you need to do is sign up. This is totally free. And after sign in, you will see this dashboard where contains with all the entry points. All right, maybe let's start with the easy one. How about generate an image by text? Okay, let's go. So this is a dashboard that we can generate image by text, and you can enter your prompts here. And you can click here and type your prompt. And after that, click here to select one of the AI models. And they are crazy. So remember, AI models in fact controls the final results. So if you choose a different models, you get different results, right? So what about this selfie model? Let's click here and type the prompt. Okay, I just typed a girl with a headphone in the street of the New York. Okay, click it down, and here we have a prompt input. If we click this toggle button, that's meaning the input is on. About the aspect ratio, let's click here, and we can find a different aspect ratio for different platforms like the TikTok, Twitter, and Facebook, Instagram. What about Instagram? And also we have a face match. So here you can upload your face to it. For example, okay, I just uploaded a portrait. Let's see if we can do the face swap. Also, color match. So here you can change the color of this image. For example, here we already choose a Barbie, but we can also change to Cyberpunk. And about the generation model, we can choose fast, normal, and HQ. Let's choose HQ. And for the other ones, we can type the seed, but right now leave it empty. Now let's click the generate. Wow, what we have here? Wow, this is crazy because in fact the face is aligned with the image that I uploaded. And all the elements are correct, even the color. This is amazing. So what we can do about it, so we can whether download this image and we can choose the format and also upscale. I really want a big size and I don't want a watermark, of course. And let's click the upscale. Hey, so now you got yourself a 4K image. That's amazing, right? And we can click here, place on a canvas. So this is crazy because now you can control everything. Unlike other AI platform, once you generate it, it's done. But here in the design, you can actually step by step edit all the elements in our canvas. So you can click here, select, and let's mark this woman, and we can click the erase, and let's click the generate. So let's move our cursor to the 4 images. Wow, which one is your favorite? I like this one, so let's click here. So now you got a new image. Isn't that nice? It's like a Photoshop. It's not Photoshop because everything's AI. So you can click the download again, or we can click here, place to canvas. So now we already removed a very strange character. Now left this girl. And let's click the image and click this impression. So here's the crazy thing. In the AI, you've never seen this before, right? Let's drag this slider. Wow! So you can control the eyes openness. And what about the close? Tell me, which AI contains the same functionality? No one. And let's change to the middle. And we also can control the eyes. You can actually change the direction of the eyes. That's amazing. And what about this one? This is about the vertical of the direction. And what about the eyebrow? Oh my God. What about the lower? Wow, man. And we can even wink. That's cute, right? And you can also change about the mouth, about the head angles. Wow. So no matter if you are a fan of the Stable Diffusion or Comfy UI or other AI platform, you cannot compete with this one. They can only generate image and it's down. So without design, we can only generate again and again, but sometimes it's loose here, loose there. But with design, you can actually do the minimal adjustments. Wow, this is crazy. I gotta say, this is the best AI tool I ever seen. Man, I'm speechless. That is so amazing. Okay, let's click the down. So we also have a hand repair because AI images are famous for the 6 fingers or 7 fingers, right? But with this tool, you can repair all the problem of the hands. So you need to use the lasso tool to select the hand and click the generate. See, we fixed the hand problem. And let's click the place on canvas again. So now we have a perfect character and we remove the string guy. And we also change the expression of this girl. And also we can do background remove and edit, cut out, and also transform. And here you can even use the text tool, for example, like the who will need Photoshop if we have this? So when we select the text, we can also change the font size and font family, and also change the transparent. And click the brush, we can even draw something. And click here, fit to content. So we have some empty space, and now we don't. This is amazing, right? And when you click the different layer, you can find we can change it or we can duplicate it and save as image. So it's just like the image editor, but with AI. And let's click the AI video. So now we will use this image to generate a video. I'm clicked here. We can change the AI model from clean to runway and minimax. Llama, so you don't need to purchase all the AI models on market, but now we have everything. Let me click the Clean 2.1 Pro, and I will leave this prompt as empty, and we can change the duration from 5 seconds to 10 seconds. And let's click the generate. I cannot believe it, but this is still in our control. And also the expressions in our control as well. And all the elements in our video controllable. Wow, we just done this professional video with the Dzine. We can also use the lip sync. Let's click here. So first is the pick a face. Yeah, this one. And second step is pick a voice.
Comfortable place to lie down.
And we need to type the dialogue that we want this girl to speak. And also, if you don't want to do that, you can also click here, upload audio. This is New York. And let's click the generate and play audio. All right, we already have our audio. Now let's click the generate.
This is New York.
Well, I can say Dzine is the craziest AI tools of this year. Remember, we just opened a canvas. So next time, if you want to go to the same canvas, you can click here. And also it support import PSD file, which means if you already worked something in Photoshop, now you can import all your files to our Dzine. That's crazy. And what about this virtual trial? I always want to test it. So let's click here. So we have this nice lady, right? And let's upload an image of a t-shirt. And let's use the lasso tool to mark this shirt. Wow, we have two variations. Which one is your favorite? See, now you have your campaign hero image. And you can click here to compare the two images. This is quite crazy, right? Remember what we do with the last image. Now we can change the face of this model, change the direction, right? And maybe a little bit upside, and maybe wink. Yeah. And also the lip openness, and put on a smile, a little bit bigger. How about the roundness? Oh, no, not like that. Back. We also can tweak about the head. Yeah, I like this one. This is more vivid. And let's click down. We are down with the expression, right? And I'm sorry, I still want to do the AI video. Let's click here and let's change our model. And what about this pix words? All right, we have here. All right, the results here. Let's click the download. That is crazy, right? So we don't have any model, but now we do. We can make her speak, of course, but now I don't want. Okay, let's start from an image. So now we have a t-shirt, right? So let's try this product background. Scale it a little bit and put it in center. And scroll down, we have all the background. Maybe it's a minimalist. Let's choose this one. So now you can put your product on a background. This is crazy, right? So back to home, not only like all the AI tools I introduced, but Dzine also have the consistent character and also chat editor. They are all quite amazing. So I really suggest that you check by yourself. And also beneath we have tutorials from the Dzine team, and also we have different tools. For example, like a game design, we have several AI tools and all kinds of the design tools. That's quite cool, right? And we even have style library. So no matter if you are a game designer or if you're running your business on Amazon or TikTok, I think you can all benefit from Dzine.AI because this is quite amazing, right? So, okay, so much for today. I introduced this revolutionary AI called Dzine, and I hope you will like it. And if you have any question about the DzineAI, please leave in the comment section. I will reply you immediately. Okay, so much for today. I hope you like it. I will see you on the next one. Bye-bye. Congratulations on watching to the end. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. You won't miss out on more great contents. I will see you on the next episode. Bye bye.